everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I called it, I think I'm going to call it something like from my happy place or something, because this is my happy place right here with all of my makeup, and this is where I'm spending all these days while we're in self-isolation playing with makeup. But what I decided to do today was take out products that I have not used in a while, products that have just gone to the back of the drawer. So it's basically a get ready with me from my Shop My Stash. I haven't used these products in forever. I don't even remember how long it's been. For example, I'm going to be using the YSL foundation. I think it's been, I don't know, 8 months since I've used that foundation. So I grabbed all of the products that I haven't used in a while and I pulled them out for this video and have a chat with you about my new channel. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the get ready with me. I've got my skincare on. I'm going to start off with my foundation. I'm using the YSL. If I forget to say what I'm using, everything is going to be listed down below. There, I do have foundation. I already applied it to my neck and décolleté before putting on my dark shirt. Something that I wanted to talk to you all about before I forget is that I am starting a new channel. I'm going to keep this one, and this one is going to be for all of my skincare and all of my makeup, lifestyle, kind of what I've always done. Those videos are going to continue being as they were on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. What I am going to do for the new channel, not everyone likes wigs, and I totally get it. I totally get it, because there were many years that I did not watch wig videos or anything like that. Sometimes I watch just because I like the people, the reviewers. What I know that not all of you do. So, and it's hurting me. The wig videos, because of the YouTube algorithms and all of that, is actually hurting the channel. I don't want to discontinue doing the wig reviews because honestly, I really enjoy it. I decided to start the new channel. I am going to have the video, my subscribers favorites video, my subscribers favorites video. I'm using a sponge now. My subscribers favorite wigs. I'm going to post that on here on Wednesday, and then I won't be posting any more wig reviews or chats or anything like that on this channel. My other channel, for my wig channel, that is going to be Marlene's Wigs and Chat Studio, and I'll leave a link down below in case you want to go over and subscribe if you like wigs. If not, I totally get it. I'm going to start off next Sunday. Is going to be my first wig review on that channel. It's not going to be monetized. I'm not going to make anything from it. The only thing I'm making from it is that I enjoy my wig reviews. There aren't any links that are affiliates or anything like that with wigs. Therefore, it is just because I enjoy doing it, and there are some of you or other wig wearers out there that enjoy seeing the wig reviews. I'm sure at some point, if the channel does get to have 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to monetize it. It also has to have like 4,000 views, I think is the new thing. But that honestly, that is like the furthest thing from my mind. What I want to do is not hurt this channel, and I want to be able to continue doing my wig reviews. This is not an oldie, but I always use some Fix Plus. This is always what I do for my foundation. I press it in with the sponge, and that really helps lock in the foundation and not go anywhere. We'll see if I still like this foundation as much as I used to. I haven't used it in so long. This is a real blast from the past. It's Makeup Forever, the HD concealer. I have not used it in forever. Hopefully it's still good. And when I say I haven't used it in forever, I'm talking like about a year. what I would always do with this concealer is mix it in with a little bit of the eye cream, a little bit. I'm really liking this brush by Zoeva, by the way. It doesn't leave any streaks and it just goes on perfectly. So I'll just place a little bit in the inner, on the outside of my eye, just to try to eliminate some of that shadow. And then I'll just bring it down. So let me know what you all think about this idea about the new channel. I just think that I think it's going to be a lot better just keeping both separately. And I'm only going to do one a week, one wig review a week. The other thing that I forgot to tell you is that a lot of the videos that I have on this channel, I am going to move over to that other channel. So if you are someone that enjoys watching those wig reviews, I'll leave a note like right under the video saying this was previously aired in my other channel. That way you know that it is, so you don't sit there and say, wow, Marlene, this is the same video that I saw on your other channel. This is Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. That's the bronzer that I'm going to use. I have to smell all this stuff because I don't know how long it's been since I've used it. It's been sitting there. It's okay. It's all good. You know why? Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. So it really doesn't matter. A great time to really improve our makeup skills is what I'm thinking. This is Rapture from Urban Decay. I think this is one of the first blushes from Urban Decay that I purchased. So I'm excited about the new channel. I'm excited to do it that way. We'll see how it goes. You know, at the beginning when I first started my channel, I talked about how I decided what shades I was going to use on my face. And I talked about this. I would make swatches on my hand, the shadows, the blush, the lipstick, and just see how everything came together. When I was putting together that video from the other day, from one of my subscribers' favorite palettes, Monica sent in that her favorite palette is the Viseart Amethyst palette, and I thought, I haven't taken that out in quite a while, so I'm going to use it. So what I do is I take some swatches, and I've always done this. Here are the swatches from the palette, the shadows that I'm thinking about using. Well, obviously there's a transition shade that I didn't swatch in there. Then I take, for example, the blush that I think is going to go well, and I swatch that next to it to see how it looks. And you see there it is next to the eyeshadows. And then I take the lipstick that I think I'm going to use, and I put it right next to it. So now I could see how the lipstick is going to look with the shadows, with the blush. And like I said, I talked about this, oh my gosh, when I first started. And I have never talked about it again. But I think, don't you think that's a good idea? That way you could see, oh yeah, that blush looks good with that, or yeah, that lipstick looks good, or maybe it's, yeah, not so much. So that way you don't have to remove anything that you have on your face. I usually start off with the palette that I want to use. Okay, I'm going to start off with this shade right here, which is a light one. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Somebody said to me the other day, I don't understand. I try to follow your whenever you do a get ready with me, or you do an eye look, and I try to follow along, and my looks don't turn out like yours. And you know, that's very true, I think, for any of us. And I think one of the reasons is that because we don't do this in real time. Before I upload this video, I'm going to edit it. So if I see, let's say, a little bit of shadow that maybe is extended too much, I'll clean it up. Or the blending, I'm not going to show all of the blending, because otherwise the video is just going to be so long. What I try to do is show you what I'm doing and tell you, okay, now I'm going to be blending. Right now, I'm going to be applying a crease color. And I'm just going to go right, because of the hooded eyes, I'm going to look straight into the mirror. And I'm going to go just a bit about where that, above where that brow bone is. Now I'll go with the fluffy brush and I will blend. But of course, I'm not going to show you all the blending I'm going to do because we'll be here for a long time. And I don't think you'd appreciate that. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you, for my crease color, I used this shade right here. That's a matte, for if you, in case you don't have the palette, that's what that is. I'm taking a little bit more just to deepen up that crease color. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush, just whatever you have that's flat and a little big, if that's what works for you. And I'm going to start applying it to my outer V, and I'm going to bring it up and a little bit in. And I know, it kind of looks wackadoodle right now. Next week I'm going to announce the winner for my giveaway, for my 5,000 giveaway. Make sure you leave me a comment in this video and let me know that you want to be entered. Let me know if you want to be entered in the giveaway. I'm going back to my fluffy brush, and I am going to try to eliminate any of the harsh line. I do have everybody's names in the spreadsheet like I usually do, but some subscribers don't want to be entered for whatever. I mean, they have their reasons, and who am I to question it? So if you want to be entered in that giveaway, it's a $100 gift card anywhere you want, or if you want it sent into your PayPal, whatever it is that you want. Just I'll give you all the details on next Saturday's video. So be sure to be watching, because that's where I'm going to announce it. And what I do is I leave it up for 3 days. I really appreciate all of your support and being here and all of your comments. See, sometimes I go back because I feel that I look and they're not really the same. So I'll go back and just bring it up a little bit. I'm going to go back and I'm going to do some major blending here. Now I'm going to take this shade that's right here in the middle. This is a shimmer. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to just apply it in the center and bring it to the kind of towards the edge and overlap it on the outer V, that outer corner, that outer darker shade that I applied. I'm going to overlap it just a little bit. I absolutely love this palette. And you know, if you pat it, it just works a little bit better. I just do a pat and swoop. Going to take a smaller smudge, a smaller flat brush, and I'm going to the lightest shimmer in the palette, and I'm going to use that for the inner third. And again, I'm just going to pat and I'm going to bring it up and overlap it to that shadow that I placed, to that shimmer that I just placed. And that way we have a gradient from the darkest and then one a little lighter and then the lightest in the outer V, in the outer V, in the outer corner, in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with a very small pencil brush and I'm going to go back into my very dark matte shade, and that's what I'm going to use for my lower lash line. I'm not going all the way to the inner portion because I want my eyes to open up, and my eyes are not all that big in my opinion. And this is a good time if you want to darken up that outer V a little bit. This is a really good time to do it as well, and I usually do, especially because I used that lighter shimmer and it transferred a little bit to my outer V, and I bring it up and I join. I'm going with a pencil brush that's just a little bit bigger, just to smudge it a little bit. This is another blast from the past. This is the blot powder. It's from MAC. I don't even know how old this is, but we're going to use it today. It's a medium dark shade, so it says on the label. You even got a close-up and personal look for all of my grays. Okay, I'm going to take my pencil, and this I always do. I really have to do my grays. You know, I use that brow and lash dye that I get at Amazon. You know, it's not like I haven't had the time. I've been here. All right, I'm going to make sure that it's evenly and there aren't any harsh lines with it. I think I've said it before, it just gives you a more finished look on the brows. Okay, I am going to do my mascara. I'm going to finish my brows. I'll do my lips. I'll let you know everything that I wear, but that's like watching paint dry. Therefore, I will be right back. All right, I'm back. Let me tell you what I used. I used a Buxom lip liner. I used, what else? Where is it? I'm so organized today and I can't find it. I used an Urban Decay. This is a matte lipstick, and this is number 66. This is from the Born to Run collection. Or I used the Buxom liner on my lips for my, I had not used this, either one of these, in forever. I'm so glad I did this video because I got to take them out. And I used the, like I said, the Buxom. That one I use frequently. The Submersion by Urban Decay. This is the lash primer. I really like this one too, and I didn't want it to dry out. Lancome. This is the Hypnose Drama from Lancome, and I don't want this to dry out either, so I used that. Let me know what you think about the look. Let me know what you think about using products from our happy place and products that we haven't touched in a little while. I think this is a good idea. That's what I think. Remember to let me know if you want to be entered in the giveaway that I'm going to be announcing next week. And all of your names, all of you that have been leaving me comments, your names are on the spreadsheet. But I need to know if you want to be entered in the giveaway, because some people have sent me messages and have said, nope, don't want to be entered. Also, just to a little bit of a recap, my new channel for the wig reviews is Marlene's Wig and Chat Studio. That is going to begin. Let me get my handy dandy planner. So that is going to be my subscribers' favorite video. Again with the subscribers. On Wednesday, April 15th, it's going to be on this channel, and it's going to be my subscribers' favorite wigs. But then on Sunday, April 19th, is going to be my first wig review on the other channel. I am going to leave that channel listed down below, the link to it. If you like wig reviews, then please head on over to that channel and subscribe, ring the bell, you know the drill. And if not, I totally get it. Here, we're going to continue on our Wednesdays and Saturdays. All right, I think those are all of my announcements, except that my wig reviews are going to be Sunday mornings. They're not going to be in the evening. And I'm going to start out on Sunday reviewing this one. Could you guess what it is? Let me know if you can guess. If you know wigs, let me know. All right, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you being here. I appreciate all your comments and all your thumbs up. I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone is staying positive, staying healthy. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.